Hello, my name is Tina, and let me welcome you to the video presentation of Law of Attraction and Money, two crucial points in attracting wealth via the Law of Attraction. This article is written by Rishon B, and this video presentation is brought to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. In attracting wealth using the Law of Attraction, there are two crucial points that we need to avoid disappointments. In this article, I intend to disclose 2 points in attracting wealth using the law of attraction. Once you discover, I include numerous baggage when it comes to money, so extraordinary care is required to be taken. Applying these points will authorize to disregard those hindrances you have in drawing wealth, and you'll see valid world financial outcome. It will materialize very swiftly. If you ignore these points relentlessly, you'll find yourself unhappy, wondering why the law of attraction just isn't effective when it comes to riches. Point number one: give attention on the ultimate need, not the money itself. Sadly, majority of us got cornered in this attack of trying to manifest or magnetize a certain quantity of money. We ponder on the idea of attracting certain amount or whatever it is. This can work, it's just not most favorable. Take note that one of the ground rules to finding the law of attraction in an elevated gear is the fierce yearning. Generally, we have by far superior yearning to be performing or including the ultimate thing that the money is going to get us. Let me state the case. If we desire, let's say, 10,000 just to get out of the debt, considering on attracting a debt-free life sums up far more desire than simply the amount of $10,000. You get my point? Money is most often just a means to an end. Concentrate on attracting the end objective rather than the means. Point number two: amplify your vibration when it comes to riches. An effortless way of saying this is to work towards feeling better about money. You know that unhelpful feeling or feeling of struggle or strain or worry that you get when you think about money? Well, that's exactly the cause of your current situation. It might sound unperceptive, but it's your feeling agitation that's forming the economic crisis, not the other way around. Begin to be at ease about money and it will flow to you without difficulty. Well, how can you do that then? Well, one of my preferred methods is EFT. For extra points, you can use EFT with the choices method to choose to feel great about money. Another tremendously valuable method of escalating your vibration when it comes to money is to keep an appreciation record that focuses on money. In this record, you could make note of 10 things each day when it comes to money that you are grateful with. So, even if you are entirely broke, you could use or take note entries such as: I am thankful that funds exist because it has power to trade my goods and services for other goods and services. I am thankful for the truth that I can go out and clean vehicle to be paid with money if I have to. And lastly, I am thankful for the fact that the bank gives me credit when I need it. Those are just few of instances you could apply, even when times are rough. Now that you have a solid understanding of these thoughts, all you need to do without delay is to reflect about what that money will allow you to do, be, or have. Then make that your major focus. P.S. Give me a remark and allow me to know what you thought of the piece. Here are my resources. My website, http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life at http://attractingabundancehq.com/video-reveals-step-by-step-blueprint-for-attracting-anything-you-want How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi Manor power skills, or years of practice. Guaranteed. At http://manifestisalltoday.com/manifest anything. And lastly, effortless abundance blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success. At http://effortlessabundancesite.com.